An ex-convict who was mentioned in Governor Reynolds' Condition of the State speech a few weeks ago is set to return to the Capitol with an unusual request. He's trying to convince lawmakers to change a law that is preventing him from pursuing his dream. Our Capitol reporter, Monica Madden, shares his request.
William Burt isn't afraid of owning up to his mistakes that led him to prison.
I went 4 times. So it took that many times for me to really wake up.
But when he was behind bars, he discovered a talent.
I'm very blessed.
Barbering.
You're official when you have the barber pole in your shop.
Something that ignited a sense of purpose in him.
It came to a point to where I had to make a decision if I wanted to keep treading backwards or if I really wanted to try to gain some ground.
Now Burt is trying to gain some miles.
I can take it anywhere.
With his new wheels. The convict turned barber has dreamed up a plan to take his talents to the streets with what you could call the Barbermobile.
I want my clients comfortable.
From bringing his services to people with disabilities to small towns without a barbershop.
That's where Cut Kings would fit in and try to fill that gap.
Now, the one problem with Burt's big idea is having a mobile barbershop isn't legal, but he's hoping lawmakers at the state capitol will fix that.
It passes into law finally, but
legislation is making its way through both chambers to change that, all in hopes of allowing people like Burt to freshen up some hairdos on the fly.
This is enabling people to be able to go up the economic ladder, to be entrepreneurs, to be innovative.
But for Burt, it isn't about the money or himself, really.
The reward for me would be like the ripple effect, like I'm just a rock in the water. Hopefully this causes other barbers to get out and do.
Although the odds might have been stacked against him, he knows he's on the right path now.
I don't make many excuses. As you can see, I'm here. I got 5 or 6 felonies, 4 trips to prison. I could have been quit, but I'm here, so.